Welcome to IDA's video channel. In this video, I'll show you how to convert straight pipes to curved pipes. When I converted alignment to a pipe network, the curves were not converted properly. I have a straight pipes here. Luckily, I can convert them to curved pipes with the IDA's command. At this point, when I'm recording, the command is not available in the ribbon yet, but in the new IDA's, it will be probably somewhere under the pipe design utilities, or we might have a new ribbon just for IDA's pipe network tools because we are running out of space here. But for now, I will call that command from the command line. It's called Devotech_convert straight pipe to curve. Then I hit enter. I can either convert entire network or only the selection. I will use the network. I will select the network. And then there is an option to either use a reference alignment or a selection. I will use a selection. I hit enter. And then I select the alignment. And it converts straight pipes to curved pipes everywhere. You can see here as well. Let me regenerate just to make sure that the alignment is running through the center of the pipe and here as well. Let me undo because I want to show you a situation where it might not provide the correct result. If I zoom in closer, I select alignment, and where the curve ends, there is a structure which is correct. But maybe you did some adjustments and the structure is no longer at that point. Let me switch off the ortho regime, and it might be somewhere here. It is still on the alignment, but it is not at the point where the curve connects to the tangent. I will run the same command and I will use a network and I will use a selection, and it seems like it is correct, but if I zoom closer, there will be a discrepancy. Here you can see the discrepancy. The pipe is not running along the alignment properly. There's a little bit of offset, so it doesn't provide perfect result. Again, before you convert straight pipes to curved pipes, you should always double check whether you have a structures at the beginning and end of the curve or on the curve. That's very important because the next exercise I will show you what happens if the structure is not on the curve. Let me undo again, and I will run the command again, and I will move this structure away from the alignment like this. And let me run the command again. This is the command. I will use a select network. So let me select network. I will use a selection for alignment, and nothing happens. If I check the other curves, it looks perfect, but this one didn't work. Why? It's because this structure is not on the alignment. And if it is not on the alignment, then IDAS doesn't know if you want to follow that curve, where you should follow it, and all that. And the question is, okay, maybe we should project that structure to an alignment, move it there, and convert those pipes to curves. That's something we are considering to develop. We just need to decide whether we're going to project the structure perpendicularly to the alignment, or perpendicularly to the incoming pipe, or perpendicularly to the outgoing pipe. So maybe that will come in the future, but for now you must make sure that the structure is on the alignment, and you should also have a structure where the curve ends, otherwise you get a minor discrepancy. Let me do it like this, and if I run the command now, I will get a perfect result. Let me run it. I will use entire network, then I will use a selection, this alignment, and the entire network is converted. I have a curved pipe here and curved pipe at this curve.